What is happening, boys? We back again with another video, another day, another mod to the 340. As y'all can see, we got the seats back in the car, but it's a little bit different this time. Yes sir, we got the red guts inside, the black on red spec. It's like a dream spec for me. And no, I didn't go out and buy red seats. I actually dyed them myself. I know it sounds crazy, but you can actually dye your seats and it's easier than it sounds. It takes hella long. I didn't record the whole process or nothing. I think I have some clips, so I'll throw it up on screen, but let me show you guys real quick before I explain how I did it. Yeah, you would not be able to tell this is not like OEM red seats, and I'm no professional. This is my first time doing it. I just always wanted red seats, so I'm like, why not just try it out? It takes forever, but I feel like anyone could do it. I also got these new floor mats. I think it looks crazy with the seats. The seats are not perfect, but from afar it looks perfect. You can't even tell it was black seats before, and I just went straight to red. I didn't even like prime it white or nothing first. I just like started with the red dye, but it took forever. So yeah, if I get closer, y'all can see some imperfections. Like, yeah, I can see right there. It's nothing crazy, but I think it's worth it 100%. If you want red seats, do this to your car. Like, it changes the whole vibe of the car, especially with these floor mats. Now these are gonna get dirty. I have the old ones in the trunk, so whenever I'm driving I usually just pull that out. I just took it up to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, 340 looking crazy. I got the Alcantara armrest. I don't know if it's real or not. I just got it on Amazon. It's mad cheap. It just doesn't really look like it. It just sticks on over the OEM one. 340 is looking crazy, especially with the stars at night. This thing is a whole vibe. Y'all can't really see it right now. Super happy with how this car came out. So yeah, pretty much to do the red seats, you just take your seats out and you just tape off wherever you don't want to get paint on. I've seen some people done it and they've done all these parts in red as well, but I wanted to keep it like OEM, so I just taped off all of that, and then you just make sure you clean the seats or else the dye is not going to stick properly. And the first couple coats I actually did with a sponge. I'll show you guys the sponge that I use. Actually, it's just like I have a bunch of these, so I just poured the dye on this, started on the seats like that, and once I was like 5 coats in or something, I switched over to a brush because the brush is much easier, but you got to start with something like this. You could probably start off with a brush, but I don't know, that's just what I did. Oh shit, carbon case. Look at my case too, a real car guy. Nah, but I'm super happy with how the 340 looks. Damn bro, this car is sitting like perfect. So I'm gonna give y'all a little POV today. This is just like a reveal video to the red guts. I know I've been talking about this mod for a while. Got the GTS hood on the car right there. There's a dent. I try to get it out. I don't think it looks that bad, but every time I look at the car, it's the first thing I see. You know how it is. If it's your first time watching my videos, this is my 2016 340i Stage 2 Plus high pressure fuel pump. I got the TU pump. I'm tuned with MHD and XHP Stage 3. But yeah, this car is coming together real good. I have something else cool in mind. I thought after the red seats I was going to be done with mods for a while, but within a week I'm going to be changing up something on the interior again. Just a little mod. I won't say what it is, but I think it's going to be much better than the current one that's in the car. So yeah, y'all look forward to that. We just out here trying to make a clean out 340. But I hope you boys enjoy this POV. People ask me, yo, do you have stock turbos? Like I said in my last video, I'm still stock turbos. I just have a microphone I usually put like right by my intake. That's why you guys can hear the turbos so much. Enough of me talking. I'm gonna set up that mic. Hope y'all boys enjoy this POV. Alright, so it's actually the next day. As y'all can see, I'm wearing something different because yesterday I made a whole POV, but my phone decided to not record any audio, so I gotta run it back. For you guys, it's just another clip. Yes sir, it's never a boring drive with this car though, so I don't mind it. At least we're not on ethanol. I'm not wasting any gas. guys think of the iPhone POV though? If it sounds better than the GoPro or not? Because I know a lot of people mess with the iPhone look. That's the beauty of it. That shit sounds so good, bro. I can give y'all launch control from this light. Look at that. That's just crazy. I got my drivetrain thing because my tire started spinning. That is what your X-Drive gonna be doing. Nice third gear pull. guys know it's very rarely that I go crazy on the highway, but sometimes you gotta. Man, this car is so much fun, bro. And get y'all a 340. The B58, best car for the money, hands down. And I think the 340 F30 is probably the best ones because they're probably the cheapest you can pick up. Well, I mean, I've seen 540 prices dropping mad low right now, so I'm not fast yet. Little 340. I'm obsessed with this thing. Every time I park it, I just be taking pictures, videos. But yeah, that's how I usually rock the mat because I'm not trying to mess that up already. Too early for all that. Finally get that launch control. Nah, bro, these tires not gripping for shit. Okay, one last try at this launch thing. Okay,